Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bleach palm oil with chemicals for quality soap production. If you want your laundry soap or bath soap to have that clean, attractive, light colored instead of the deep reddish palm oil color, then keep washing because this process is very important. A lot of beginner soap makers struggle with getting the perfect soap color, and sometimes the palm oil they buy is too red or too dark. But don't worry, with the right chemicals and process, you can lighten your palm oil successfully. Before we continue, please click the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Now let's get into the process. The first thing you need is your palm oil. Make sure the palm oil is properly filtered and free from dirt. Dirty oil can affect the bleaching process and the final result of your soap. The next thing you need is your bleaching chemicals. Now, pour your oil into a clean stainless bowl or pot. You can slightly warm the oil to make the process easier, but don't overheat it. One mistake many people make is adding too much chemical because they want very white oil immediately. Too much chemical can affect your soap quality, damage the oil, or even make the soap harsh on the skin. Now, gradually add your chemicals little by little while stirring continuously. Do not pour everything at once because you need to control the reaction properly. So in this production, I use 15 ml of sulfonic. So you first go in with your sulfonic acid here for the bleaching. I use sulfonic acid. You go in, you stir. As you stir, you will notice the palm oil color gradually becoming lighter. This step requires patience. Don't rush the process. Now the next chemical you go in is your hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is still 15 ml. So you add it. You add your chemical bit by bit, little by little, till the color gradually change. Now let me tell you why bleaching palm oil is important in soap making. It improves the appearance of your soap. Customers are always attracted to neat and beautiful products. It gives your soap a more professional look, especially if you are producing it for business. But please remember, this bleaching palm oil does not automatically make your soap high quality. Your formulations, measurements, curing process, and ingredients also matters a lot. After adding your chemicals, you keep your oil, you set it aside for some times, like some minutes. You see it will start getting clearer, the oil should start getting clearer, but I leave mine for some hours to have that very clear and neat look. Wow, look at how clean and beautiful this palm oil is looking now. You can see the difference clearly compared to reddish it was before bleaching it. This is exactly the kind of result you want if you are making quality laundry soap or bar soap for business. When your palm oil is properly bleached, it gives your soap a cleaner and more attractive appearance. It also helps your soap colors. Come out better, especially if you want to make a white or cream or bright color soaps. One thing I always tell my students is that presentation matters a lot in soap business. Customers are naturally attracted to neat and professional looking products. So taking your time to process your palm oil can really improve the value of your soap. But remember, don't over bleach your oil. Too much chemical can affect the quality of your soap. See you in my next video. Bye.